In a world where uncertainty often reigns and timidity seeks refuge in the shadows, there exists a force known as assertiveness, a quality both rare and precious. It's the art of expressing one's thoughts, desires, and boundaries with unwavering conviction, a melody of confidence that resonates through the corridors of power and influence. Assertiveness is not arrogance, nor is it born of ego. Rather, it emerges from the fertile soil of self-awareness and respect for others. It's the gentle yet unyielding breeze that sways the trees but never uproots them. Assertiveness is no easy feat. It's a delicate balancing act over the chasm of passivity and aggression. It requires self-reflection to recognize one's needs and boundaries. It demands courage to speak one's truth with grace and composure. It necessitates patience to listen attentively and empathetically to the voices of others. But the rewards of assertiveness are bountiful. It unlocks doors, paves paths, and dismantles barriers. It's the key to self-empowerment and a catalyst for positive change. In a world that often confuses strength with obstinacy and silence with compliance, assertiveness is the navigator that guides us towards authentic self-expression and meaningful connections. It's an orchestration of self-assuredness, resonating with the melody of life's infinite possibilities. To be assertive means to confidently and respectfully express your thoughts, feelings, needs, and boundaries, while respecting the rights and opinions of others. It involves standing up for yourself and communicating effectively, striking a balance between passivity, being too accommodating, and aggression, being overly forceful. Being assertive allows you to advocate for your interests, assert your rights, and maintain open and honest communication in various situations, whether in personal relationships, the workplace, or social interactions. It is a valuable skill for self-empowerment, conflict resolution, and building healthy relationships. Here are some essential traits that define an assertive personality. 1. Self-confidence. At the core of assertiveness lies self-confidence. Individuals with assertive personalities have a deep-rooted belief in themselves, their abilities, and their worth. This self-assuredness empowers them to express their thoughts and desires without the need for external validation. They understand that their opinions are valuable, and this confidence radiates in their words and actions. 2. Effective communication. Assertive individuals are skilled communicators. They have the ability to convey their thoughts and feelings in a clear, concise, and respectful manner. They listen actively to others, acknowledge differing viewpoints, and respond thoughtfully. This trait facilitates open and honest dialogues, fostering better understanding and stronger connections with people in their personal and professional lives. 3. Boundaries and respect. Maintaining healthy boundaries is a hallmark of assertiveness. Those with this personality trait are adept at recognizing their limits and communicating them assertively but respectfully. Simultaneously, they respect the boundaries of others. This balance ensures that interactions are harmonious, as it prevents both overstepping and undue submissiveness. 4. Conflict resolution. Assertive individuals are skilled at resolving conflicts without resorting to aggression. They approach conflicts with a problem-solving mindset, seeking mutually beneficial solutions. They do not shy away from addressing issues or differences, but they do so in a manner that preserves relationships and fosters cooperation. 5. Empathy. Empathy is a surprising but crucial trait of assertiveness. An assertive person acknowledges the emotions and perspectives of others, which helps in crafting responses that are considerate and compassionate. This emotional intelligence allows them to connect with people on a deeper level. 6. Self-awareness. Assertiveness is rooted in self-awareness. Individuals with assertive personalities are in tune with their emotions, needs, and values. This self-awareness enables them to express themselves honestly and authentically, without suppressing their true thoughts and feelings. 7. Goal orientation. Assertive individuals are often goal-oriented. They know what they want and are determined to achieve their objectives. This trait helps them stay focused and take the necessary steps to turn their ambitions into realities, whether in their personal lives or professional pursuits. Here are some examples of assertive behavior. 1. Expressing your opinions and beliefs clearly and confidently, even if they are unpopular. If you are in a meeting and you disagree with your boss's proposal, you could say something like, "I understand your perspective, but I think there is a better approach. Here's what I suggest." 2. Saying no to requests that you do not want to fulfill, without feeling guilty or apologetic. If a coworker asks you to cover their shift for them, but you already have plans, you could say something like, "I'm sorry, but I can't cover your shift this time. I already have plans." 3. Asking for what you need or want, even if it is difficult. If you are negotiating a salary for a new job, you could say something like, "I'm really excited about this opportunity, but I'm hoping for a salary of $X. Is that possible?" 4. Setting boundaries and enforcing them. If you have a friend who is always borrowing money from you and never paying you back, you could say something like, "I'm happy to lend you money from time to time, but I need you to pay me back within X days." 5. Standing up for yourself and others against injustice or unfair treatment. If you see someone being bullied, you could say something like, "That's not okay. You need to stop." 6. Disagreeing with people respectfully. If you are having a discussion with a friend and they say something that you disagree with, you could say something like, "I see your point, but I respectfully disagree. Here's why." 7. Negotiating and compromising to reach mutually agreeable solutions. If you are buying a house and you and the seller disagree on the price, you could negotiate until you reach a price that you are both happy with. 8. Handling difficult situations and setbacks with grace. If you make a mistake at work, you could apologize for your mistake and take steps to correct it. In a world where effective communication, self-empowerment, and respect for others are paramount, the assertive personality stands as a model of strength and empathy. Its defining traits provide a blueprint for successful and fulfilling lives. By cultivating these traits, individuals can enhance their relationships, succeed in their endeavors, and navigate the complexities of our interconnected world with grace and authenticity. The assertive personality is a beacon of self-empowerment, offering a path to both personal growth and harmonious coexistence.